funny. It's a funny video, but like it's easy to laugh at it because it's funny. But when I put myself in Asmon's shoes, I think bringing the girlfriend into it is a little too far, even though that was one of the funniest parts. Because the dude literally put pink sparkles. He put it on his nuts. It was one of the funnier parts, obviously, but I don't know. Like, it's a little bit of a cheap shot, right? Like, when I put myself in that position, like, okay, you know what? I poached somebody from his guild. He's shit-talking me, calling me out. Fine, fair. But bringing the girlfriend into it, especially if you don't have one yourself that can be used against you in the same way his was used against him, I don't know. So I have to be fair to Asmon on that. And like, that seemed like a little too far. It's a joke. I mean, it's a joke if you're... Who was that guy in chat that said open clutch cases? The reason I didn't want to open another clutch is because I've gotten 3 gloves in a row now. I haven't got a knife. I've gotten 3 gloves in a row. Holy shit. If anyone has CS glove, I mean CS... No way! No way! What the fuck? 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 From some creative art high school class. I don't know if you're fucking the teacher and she decided to give you a pair of jeans one of her students made for her in her art class, but I don't know what the hell this is, okay? And then secondly, what the fuck is this? What was it, a buy one get one free for fish? Was there a collar buy one get one free? You said fuck it, I'll put it on for jewelry? What is going on here, dude? How the hell are you telling me sweatpants and a sweatshirt? So it depends. If you pay enough, or you subscribe enough, or you donate enough, I'll give you my snap. But once I give it to you, if you stop any of those 3 things, I'm going to publicly call you a sexist and ruin your reputation and name. So you can only objectify me as long as you pay me. But as soon as you stop, that objectification no longer is okay, and you will be a sexist, and everyone's going to believe me. Lol Tyler 1, honestly.
I don't have mats to build at you, so can we just like do a snipe battle here, but let me win? Watch this. He's gonna think I have to reload already. Called it. Called it. My brain is so big that I can't. You wanna just like try and get out of here? Maybe he's above you. Nice job, Tim.
On me. I knocked him.
Reload these guys. Yeah, baby. There you go. 200! Oh, what is happening?
He fell all the way to the bottom.
Can you get this guy?
He's in the corner over here.
I got. Where is he?
I just got career ran by Lady Gaga, dude. She just tweeted at me and goes, "Who are you?"
No, she did not.
100%, dude. What should I say?
What you say to me, little shit?
I want to lean more towards like a Patrick Star meme. Like, well, we know that you're, you know, your favorite cartoon is SpongeBob SquarePants, you know, because you must be living under a rock. How do you not know? Especially someone as Lady Gaga.
Say,
Does she have children?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
I have no idea.
Oh, well.
How about that ride in?
Now I know why. So. Kids are usually my
No, there's got to be a good song response, right? One of her songs, like.
She's like, wow.
I mean, I didn't know her songs.
I gotta put out a good post,
brother. I really wanted to thank you since you made me flunk out of high school years ago. You sat in front of me and I could never see the board. I'm now homeless.
Alright, I need to check you for weapons.
See what I gotta deal with, Charles?
I hear you. I'm gonna clean my car while you guys sit there.
You better be a good influence on him.
What's he
his
doing?
name?
My name's Charles.
Charles? Charles?
Yeah.
Who are your parents? Where do you live?
Listen, I'm like fucking 45-year-old man. I live in Muir Park.
What the hell are you doing with him?
I mean...
Charles, I'm only 12.
Oh,
What
shit.
the fuck? You're one of those sickos, aren't you?
Ah, Jesus Christ. Just look at his face. His face looks like my nutsack, alright? Please. Please.
That handsome motherfucker,
Lady, you can't
right?
possibly
Get
think
outta
this.
here.
Okay,
Get
please.
outta here.
I'm his ride. I can't leave him. You know? Chang, tell her.
Sonia.
I'm disappointed in you. I
think
took
he's
the
trying to
internet
sleep
away.
with me.
Oh
What
my
the hell
God,
does she have an
this is
Uzi out?
insane.
What'd you do, Chang?
Sonia,
Look.
so I'm queen. I didn't have anything on me.
No, you didn't. You're being.
You're like the type of guy, as a new player, you never want to see in the video game that you're in, right? Like he's the epitome of that, right? It's like you're looking around in a game and you see normal motherfuckers, and then you see the motherfucker that looks like you, and you know he's like played the game a million times. He's sick of the normal ass outfits, so he just looks like a fucking idiot while he's running around because he doesn't give a fuck.
How dare you, sir? I look great. Oh shit.
See, now you know why we can't play with Randy and Rami. Motherfuckers are either fucking Doofus 1 and Doofus 2 on the cops, or I don't even know what the fuck they're doing. Trying to scam people.
Much to live for. You have so much to live for. No! Dum. Oh, he's still alive. Pog you, and he's walking. Pog you! Look at that. Mate, that turtle's old. Look at his neck, he's got wrinkles, mate. Oh, good camera work, man. Mum with the camera work, mate. See, the marks on his back is where he scraped against boats, mate.
No, it's not.
Isn't it? I thought the blue...
What now?
Oh, I can't read anything.
Come on then, the day is going.
The day is young, Mum.
The day is. Oh, look, the train. Choo choo, choo choo. What a lovely little train. Isn't that cute?
Yep.
Hello. Hello, everybody.
You ready to go, Mum?
Yeah, there should be music. There should be music playing. Can you guys not hear it? I can't wait to love you, baby.
$44 topping damage, plus 86 attack power.
Listen, yeah.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
It's like walking to your
the Ashcan dude. Is it sad or cool that I know that you told me the top end damage and how much attack power it had?
I don't wipe.
And I popped off what item it was. Is that sad or cool? I don't know. Look at this, dude. Anybody with this badge, You know what this means? What this badge means?
Wiping your douse.
This badge means that when I got banned, and when everybody said FS banned, he's not streaming private servers anymore, this guy sucks, whatever. These are the people who still believed in me.
Maybe.
And these are the people who trusted the process.
2019.
That's what this badge means. This badge is more than just... Is Rent and Raids as bad as they say, or is it actually playable? No, it's not as bad as they say. They're all idiots. Like, I don't know. It's just like at a certain point, like, you gotta realize that most people don't know what they're talking about when it comes to this game. Right? Wait, respawn now, respawn now, respawn now. Respawn now. Respawn now. Let's see if we can get him. Guys are camping. Focus tempt. So
if we're gonna spawn as a group,
what?